How to add Bitcoin to Metamask wallet. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can add Bitcoin to your Metamask wallet. And here is how to go about it. It is very simple. The first step is to ensure that you have the Bitcoin contract address already. Yes, you would need the Bitcoin contract address for you to be able to add it to your MetaMask account. And how can you get the address? Go to your web browser, click on the new tab, and then in search box type coin market cap, then select it. And then once you're on the cryptocurrencies page, you will see the Bitcoin option. Just select it and then get the contract address. So after getting the contract address, go back to your MetaMask account. On the page, scroll down, move to the left side and click on import tokens. Then in the box displayed, ensure you select custom token. Then go ahead and paste the token contract address here. Then click on next. After clicking on next, you'll be taken to next page where the contract address will be verified to be sure if it's truly Bitcoin contract address. Then once it has been verified, you will see the option add custom token. Click on it and then Bitcoin will be added to your account as a token. Very easy and quick. Thanks for watching and have a good day.